Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to clean up your Wix website by removing a banner, maybe you're updating your look or you want things to feel a little more streamlined, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a banner in Wix and walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know just how easy it is to do and you'll have a cleaner, more professional looking website in literally under a minute. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Wix website design area. You'll need to log into your Wix account and then open up your site in the Wix editor. This is the main workspace where you can see your website laid out, all your text, images, and design elements. If it's your first time here, don't worry, it's pretty intuitive. Just think of it like rearranging furniture in a room. You get to move things around, add, delete. Also, your site looks exactly how you want. Now in this tutorial, we're going to focus on something called a strip in Wix. In Wix's language, a strip is often used as a banner at the top of a page. It's a horizontal section you can fill with images, text, buttons, backgrounds, really anything to grab your visitor's attention. They're super useful for announcements, headers, or highlights, but if you don't need one right now, it's totally fine to remove it. Here, where the magic happens, to remove a banner strip, simply click on the strip you want to delete. You'll see a blue outline pop up, which means you've selected that section of your page. Take your time to make sure you're clicking on the right part. Sometimes there are overlapping elements, so if the banner has text or images inside, just click on the edge of the strip to make sure you've got the whole thing. If you accidentally select something else, just click outside and try again, no harm done. Wix makes it easy to undo mistakes, just like rewriting a sentence in a doc. Once you have your banner strip selected, all you have to do is press the delete key on your keyboard. Yep, that's it. One tap and the strip is gone from your page. You'll see your site update instantly and your page layout will adjust. It's really that simple, but always take a second to double check you're deleting the right element. If you're ever nervous about making changes, remember you've got an undo button up top. You can always hit that to bring your banner back if you change your mind. And just like that, your website is looking cleaner. Removing outdated banners or strips can really improve the first impression visitors get. Think of it like taking down old flyers from your front door. It's a simple step, but it keeps your site feeling fresh and professional. So that's how easy it is to remove a banner on your Wix site, just a couple of clicks and a tap of the delete key. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or get stuck at any part, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. And if you're looking for more short and simple Wix tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.